welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by and hanging out with me today. I really do appreciate it. I received another surprise friend mail box from my friend Jenny from Jenny's Beauty Reviews. You guys have recently seen that I unboxed a Shop Miss A box that she sent me where she took me shopping with her and all of that. And so in today's video, I'm going to unbox this one. It's so heavy. Just get into this. I will have her channel linked down below for you guys. Definitely check out her channel, you guys. She just mentioned to me that she has some giveaways that she's going to be doing on her channel. And when she gives giveaways, she does awesome giveaways. I believe currently she has one on her Instagram going on. I don't believe very many people have entered. So if you want a chance to win in her giveaway, definitely check it out. I'll have her Instagram link down below, and you can look for the recent post where about, I believe it's a Shop Miss A mystery bag giveaway where she ordered all kinds of products and she's just going to give that whole bag away. So if you guys want to be entered in her giveaway and in her other giveaways that she will have coming up, definitely subscribe to her. Go over, check out her Instagram. Let's go ahead and get into this second box that she sent me. Thank you so much, Jennifer. I really do appreciate it. You did not have to send me another box or even the first box, but I'm so grateful to you. Thank you for my early birthday gifts. I'm super, super excited, and it's getting me ready for my birthday a month and a half in advance. So thank you so, so much. Okay. So the first thing I see as I open this is from Jot. These are thumbtacks, and these are from the Dollar Tree, I believe. Well, $1.25, excuse me, because it's no longer Dollar Tree. But they're super, super cute. It just has little quotes on here that you could put. So this is really nice so that I can hang things on the wall, like a little note or something. If I need to take care of something, it says, don't forget, important. You got this, today's goals. So here's the plan, and coffee helped me do it. And I have not ever seen these at Dollar Tree, so I'm really excited to have these. They're definitely a great thing to have in your stationery. The next thing that's not wrapped, and I'm so, so excited. I cannot believe that she sent me this. I wanted to purchase this from Sephora, and something kept telling me to hold off, and so I did, and I'm glad that I did, because she sent me the one size Patrick Star Ultimate Setting Powder, and this is in translucent. It says the super fine 14-hour long wear blurring setting powder made for a light bake to a heavy cake. Really, really excited, you guys. I have not tried anything from his line. I did see that he came out with the new Blur BB cream or something, and I want to try that. And now that I have the powder, I may pick that up to try it and do like first impressions for you guys, because I've heard a lot of great things. It is sealed right there. Again, it's in translucent. It is a full size. I am so, so excited for this product. If this was all she sent me, I would be super, super grateful, but there's plenty more in the box. But I have definitely been wanting to try this. That video will be coming soon after I try all the Shop Miss A products that she sent me. The next thing that I see in here, it is wrapped in this brown paper. This is nice. I have not ever picked these up. This is the Hard Candy Top 10 Eyeshadow Collection in Smoke Out. This is the 10 pans that are like the skinnier style. So that's really pretty. I love purples. So that's nice to have. The next thing I see is a Good Molecules Gentle Retinol Cream, formulated to soften the appearance of fine lines and help skin look firmer. That is what the packaging looks like right there. And it says here, nothing to hide ingredient list. It has the whole list of ingredients on the side. There we go. You probably won't be able to read them because they're very tiny, but it does say never tested on animals. And I am over 40 now, so this is great to have because I definitely need, you know, that skincare with aging benefits, so that's really nice. Can't wait to try that. I don't know that I've tried any skincare from Good Molecules as of yet, but I'm really excited to try that. Okay, this next product, I do not own anything from Gerard Cosmetics, so I'm really happy to have this. This is a Hydra Matte Liquid Lipstick, and it's in the shade 1995. Yay! I was born in the 80s, and the 90s were probably my favorite time, you know, ever. And this is the packaging, really pretty, it looks very expensive and really nice. It has like a frosted glass, and this looks like it might be a travel size. Ooh, that's really pretty. Look at that. Wow. That's pretty. Let's just put some on because I don't have anything on my lips right now. Thank you so much. I love it. I'm going to see how it wears, and if it's not on there right, I had to use my viewfinder, so very pretty. Love the packaging. It looks very expensive. Very, very nice. Super excited to have that. A letterboard notes, and it looks like that. That's cute. Different little sayings. Happiness never goes out of style. Love is all you need. Oh, that is super cute. Every day do a new one just to be encouraged. So thank you so much for that. I'm going to put that right on my makeup desk. Okay, so the next thing she has all wrapped really cute. It has very cute stickers. And oh, this one is so cute. Look at that one. Oh, I love things like this. Little details. This little, I think that's a cat in a taco, a unicorn on a cake. And then it has some llama and rainbow tape. I think it's called washing tape. My daughter used to love unicorns like a year or two ago. And then all of a sudden, I think it was this last Christmas, I was trying to buy her all kinds of unicorn stuff, and she's like, I'm not really into unicorns anymore. I'm like, okay. Oh, a little cute cat trinket tray. That's too cute. Oh my goodness, that is really, really cute. That's going to go right here with all my other trinket trays, and I'm going to put something special on it, like the earrings that she got me. Ooh, I got my first Charlotte Tilbury product. Luminous Modern Matte Long-Lasting Lipstick, and this is in the shade The Queen. Wow. I cannot believe that she sent me. Look how beautiful that packaging is. So pretty. Ooh, and it's like a, kind of like, I would say, between a red, but then not so red. It's like, has a little bit of pink in there as well. Ooh, that's really, really pretty. And it smells like vanilla. I cannot wait to try that. Very, very pretty. I'm so happy to have a Charlotte Tilbury, my first Charlotte Tilbury lipstick ever. I don't have any of her lipsticks, so thank you for that so much. Okay, the next item I see in here, I'm going to just grab a LA Colors Cream Gel Blush, and this is in the shade Adorned right there. I remember seeing these at Dollar Tree, and I saw that they were new. Me a jelly lip gloss. This is a moisturizing lip gloss, and it has a slanted tip applicator, and this is in Sweetened. Right there, I did see these as well, and I wanted some, but I held back because I'm like, you don't need it. And then she sent me a Ioni Brow Pencil Waterproof Natural Brow Perfect Arch. And this is in the shade Medium Brown. I'm about to be done with my brow pencil, and so this is great to have. And she sent me this cute bag. I think she got this with one of her Ipsies. It looks like an Ipsy bag. Very, very cute. And I got a Bodyology Cucumber Melon Bath Bomb. That's nice. It's really heavy and thick. That is what it looks like. This is going to be really nice to use. Probably break it up and use it in several of them, but this is really nice. I do smell the cucumber melon. I wouldn't say it's super strong, but it's nice. It's real soft and delicate. The next item I see in here is a RCO Velvet Curtain Cotton Touch Textured Balm. And that is what it looks like. I believe this is a hair product. And it says it's gluten and vegan free. Yes, it is a touchable texture. This super dry styler adds soft volume, light hold for all the hair types, boasting a modern matte effect. It instantly smooths and develops strands for a piecey, effortless second day hair look. Spread a small amount evenly on damp or dry hair. Style and air or blow dry as desired. I just blow dried my hair this morning with my Revlon One Styler. I wish I would have known because I would have tried this and used it, but that's okay. Two more things with some cute stickers again. Look at that little cupcake and the little dog. I'm going to try to take those off. Okay, it looks like, oh my gosh, okay, this is my first Wayne Goss product. I don't mean to blind you guys. She sent me the luxury eye palette in Emerald Topaz. Oh my gosh, you guys. I have nothing from this brand. This is beautiful packaging. Wow. These are some huge eyeshadow pans. It does have a mirror and they're your everyday neutral shades. Wow. That is gorgeous. Let me just try to swatch a couple right there. That's that shimmer one in there. And then this one. So I showed you this one and this one. Very, very pretty. I am so excited to have this. I would never have had anything from him if I didn't get this from her. Wow. Definitely going to be using all of these in an upcoming video. Oh, that's beautiful. Thank you so much for that. I cannot believe that. Okay, so one wrapping left in here. Has a cute butterfly sticker. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. You guys, I never thought that I would own a Jeffree Star palette besides the Morphe and Jeffree Star palette that I have already. And okay, so first of all, it's wrapped in this paper. What does it say? Weirdo? Oh my gosh, that's a phrase I would say to my kids a lot. I never thought I would own a Jeffree Star palette because, you know, it's not really like my thing, but as a gift, I'm okay with that. This is the palette right there. Wow, I cannot believe you sent me this palette. And it's like reds and oh my gosh, you guys. Now I can officially say that I own a Jeffree Star makeup item. I cannot believe she sent me this. Oh my gosh, I am so excited. I have my first Jeffree Star palette ever. My first ever Wayne Goss palette, which I would have never gotten. And then I have my first Charlotte Tilbury. I'm so excited. Okay, and one more thing in here that she sent me. And I cannot believe this as well. I was sharing with her how I wanted this palette. It was on sale at Sephora. The One Size palette from Patrick Starr. It's the 15 pan eyeshadow palette with 9 super pigmented mattes, eye-catching shimmers. Recently, I had seen Clara Barrera. I'll have her channel linked down below. She did a look with it, and she did such a beautiful look with the palette. I was like, I need that palette. It is really good. It's super neutral, super beautiful, but like has one pop of color in it, but it's like an everyday palette that you could use. But it's just a very beautiful packaging. It goes kind of slanted here. And it's just really nice. So thank you so much, Jennifer. I cannot believe that you sent me this. But just a beautiful palette. I'm so excited to have this and super excited for the Jeffree Star one as well. I cannot believe she sent me all of these products. I'm so excited to try this. Thank you so much. This was definitely a fun, exciting surprise for sure. I believe that I finally own my first Jeffree Star, Wayne Goss, Patrick Star, and Charlotte Tilbury products. Oh, and Gerard Cosmetics. Let's not forget that, because that's a brand that I've never tried either. Oh, and the Good Molecules. So thank you so much, Jennifer. You definitely shocked me with this one. I cannot wait to try all of these products. So thank you so, so much. Like I said so many times already, I never thought I would own a Jeffree Star product, so I cannot believe it. You definitely did not have to do this, but I'm so grateful to you that you did. This is going to complete my second unboxing video from my friend Jennifer from Jenny's Beauty Reviews. Definitely check her out, you guys. Subscribe to her channel. There's a lot on her channel, like I told you guys in the previous video. She does unboxings, hauls, lots of hauls. She loves shopping like the rest of us. She does product reviews, one brand tutorials. If you want to be entered into that mystery bag giveaway from Shop Miss A, definitely check it out. You will not be disappointed. Shop Miss A is an awesome brand. So this is going to complete this video for today. I hope you guys have a very blessed weekend. Thank you again, Jennifer, so, so much. I really, really appreciate you. And I will see you guys all in the next video. Bye, guys.